Hello, animal behavior students. Today I'm going to talk briefly about an experiment that we're going to start relatively soon. In this project, we're going to think about foraging behavior in black-capped chickadees and other small songbirds. And we're really interested in the question of, do birds pay attention to predation risk when they're foraging? Do they work to minimize their risk of predation while foraging at feeders or at other locations? And so what we're going to do for this experiment is we're going to set up pairs of bird feeders out on campus. This isn't campus, but we'll set them up out on campus, probably near Niemeyer Hall, and we will ask students to make observations of the birds that visit these feeders. How often they're coming, what species are they, and are they eating the seed at the feeder or grabbing a seed and flying away, those kinds of behaviors. And our pairs of bird feeders are set up like this. One of the bird feeders is going to be very close to a woods, one of the ravines. The woods provide a lot of shelter for birds and protection. The other bird feeder will be about 15 meters out in the open, away from the woods. And we're going to ask the question, do birds prefer to visit the sheltered, protected feeder over the feeder that's out in the open? So all of you students are going to make several 30-minute observations of our bird feeder sets, and during those observations you will record behaviors about who's visiting the feeders. Then we will look at addressing that question. Are birds minimizing their predation risk by visiting the forest or protected feeder more often than they visit the open feeder? And then we're going to add a twist. We're going to add a predator to the scene. Actually, we're going to add a decoy predator to the scene, a fake predator. What we're going to do is we're going to place a predator on a perch about 2 or 3 meters from the feeder near the forest. And we won't place a predator near the open feeder. And then we'll make more observations and we'll focus on the question, are these birds now avoiding the feeder near the predator and visiting the open feeder, the feeder out in the open, more frequently? Are they minimizing their risk of predation by avoiding that predator or the feeder near the predator? So we're going to be showing you where the bird feeders are and showing you how to make observations as you come out in person to see these feeders. And then you will sign up to make 3 observations over the course of a couple of weeks. You will collect data, put your data on a common spreadsheet, and then we will be able to use the data to address our questions. And that's it. So this is a fun project. I hope that you will enjoy it. We'll see you soon.